Hey, welcome back. So let's talk about the Sitecore Marketer MCP server. Sooner or later, you're going to interact with it with your Sitecore AI environment. In this case, I want to use it with Claude Code. So we're going to add the MCP server to Claude. And then just as a basic test to make sure it's all working, we're going to add a page to it. So let's do that. I'm going to bring over my terminal. We're going to add the MCP server via this command line. So Claude MCP add -- transport HTTP. I'm going to give it the name marketer. And then this is the URL provided by Sitecore documentation. So let's add that now. It's now updated that and added that MCP server to my configuration. So we're going to go into Claude. It's going to enable auto mode. And welcome back. It's telling me that there is a setup issue with one of my MCPs. So let's go into MCP. And we can see the marketer needs authentication. No surprise, we just added that. So let's click Authenticate, and we're going to authenticate. It's now going to take me to the portal in order to do that. And because it didn't open up a browser window, I'm going to copy the window here, open up a new tab, paste it in there. It's going to ask me if I want to allow access. I'm going to click Allow Access. I'm going to then authenticate to my organization, and I'm going to select my appropriate MCP server playground. It's going to tell me that I'm authenticated. I can close that window. And effectively, now I can simply type, I want to add a landing page to the basic site under /home called summer vacation. Please add a rich text component to the main placeholder. And inside that, add some lorem ipsum text. See if it does it. Now it's going to prompt me a few times across over the process to make sure that it's connecting and adding things to the correct site. See how it works here. Yes, I wanted to get the name basic. So I can hit yes for that. Yes again for that, and yes to get the page. So in which case, because I didn't give it a specific template, it's going to only find the one that exists in this particular example. It's going to create the necessary page for me. And it's going to look at all of the allowed placeholders here. Now I could enable, because I did enable auto mode, I could actually just hit 2 and let it go get everything. I'm just kind of walking us through this process right here. And it should be coming back. Placeholder is headless main. It's adding the component on there. It added some lorem ipsum. I hit yes. And hit yes again. And that's saying it's done. So it's added this, it's added the rich text component. Let's go have a look. We're going to come back here, refresh this section. We can see summer vacation is here, and we can see some lorem ipsum text. Now, like I said, it just added the rich text component. If I had given it a different component name, we could have had, maybe an image or something like that added to it. But effectively, it added the necessary component to the page after it created it. And I could have been working on whatever I wanted to during the same process. I could have enabled auto and just let it build the entire page out for me if I wanted.